National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Joe Daviess County in northwestern Illinois, Stevenson County in northwestern Illinois, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:27 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Adams Grove to near Bolton, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, are indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Freeport, Lena, Stockton, Warren, Pearl City, Cedarville, Davis, Dakota, German Valley, Winslow, Rock City, Rydot, Nora, Buena Vista, Lauren, Rock Grove, Oneco, Orangeville, Kent, and Illyria. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for northwestern Illinois. This is no